flags below. If that's not practical, please make sure that they are held easily within your reach. Thank you.
I think we're going to go.
Also for your safety, please remain seated while the train is in motion. Keep your hands, arms, legs, and head inside the car. And remember, there is no eating, smoking, or drinking anything but bottled water on the train. The building on your left, the brick building, is the Smith Creek Depot building. It was moved here in 1929 from Smith Creek, Michigan. If you get a chance, stop by and hear the story of what the station master and his family's lifestyle was and the importance they had for the community of Smith Creek. Also, a famous historical figure who was the first president before also visited the Smith Creek Depot and other stations along the way from Detroit to Fort Huron and hear his story. Coming up on the left also is the Detroit, Toledo, and Milwaukee Roundhouse, built in 1884 in Marshall, Michigan. And in front of that is the Detroit Bridge and Ironworks turntable, 42-ton monstrosity used to redirect locomotives from the main line into the roundhouse. There are two more chances to not only observe but participate in a demonstration of this manually operated turntable. The roundhouse is used to maintain our fleet of 3 coal-fired steam locomotives on the Life Railroad. Also coming up on your left, back end of the Liberty Craft Works District, where you can observe and we get the signal that the brakes have been set.
We're going to get back up at Smith Creek, okay?
It is now safe to exit. Please exit on the right, but before you do, please check your seats to make sure you have all your personal belongings.
It's nice and comfy though riding on this, isn't it?
This is also the main entrance to Greenfield Village, so enjoy the rest of your morning and afternoon here. Thank you.
I know, I'm tired. Okay, why don't you lean up against me here? Yeah, you can do that too. car's empty except for us.
Dad, I can see the
Tractor?
no, I can't. No, not the tractor. The cool thing
Yep,
over
I
there.
can too.
Yeah, the cool tower is so tall. It's like way That hang on. Right behind those trains. There, maybe if I just yeah, I see it now. Yeah, it's right over there.
Hey folks, welcome aboard. Anywhere there's
What is that?
What's that?
What power is that?
What power is what? Gas mask? Well, what it is it's a filter. So you put a mask over your face, and you have a hole in it, and then you put some thick layer of charcoal, and that cleans the air for you. Can you guys slide over a little bit? There you go. That's not firm enough.
So why'd you want up here? Just something different?
To watch the edge.
You're good.
You know, I don't think we've ever said it.
We have. Have we? Yeah.
Now you know we're getting off at the next stop, right? Okay. You know it, right?
Well, I believe the next
Okay.
show.
Are we gonna get back on the train and come back around?
Eventually.
Where the shows are. The shows are all on this side, so you can jump on the back of the train. Come back around.
There is the one on this side. Well, then Edison. And then there's the rest
Cool,
is
huh?
over here.
We set the schedule, the times of the shows, so we know where
So we got here earlier than we did last time. We just can't stay out there the whole time. Right?
to so glad that
Otherwise, we're gonna be staying here longer than we
Look.
usually do.
I don't see that
We're gonna
again.
be staying here
No.
for more than we did last time.
No, it'll be probably a little bit less time.
If we did stay here longer, then it would be
All
the
people see is a little bit hit the screen.
Yeah, we missed your baseball game up.
Look at
Do that in the privacy of
They're
your
moving
house.
soon.
Beat 'em up.
We'll be doing that soon.
Trying to catch the train before it leaves. So like, wait, you want me to take these?
I get to I can do that. Well, next time I might catch you.
Oh,
Kiss you. Fish.
no, sit down. Turn around, please. Are you ready to start soon? We'll have to remember that for your next one.
That's right. Yeah.
Dude, what do you think those are for? Right there, they look like a stack.
You step on those, they'll hook down there.
I wonder if somebody used to have to ride on them before.
Or people hold on to that. Gosh.
When they're steering just the engine, they stand on there and they hold onto the side one. They look onto the side when they're getting ready to hook things up.
Or maybe there's no one on in the front end of the train's moving.
Could be.
And if it's moving the people just running behind.
Loading up all the coal. You just filled the coal up into the The oven.
The coal that goes in the oven and turn into that.
Hey, I wonder if Aunt Marion's working today. We should stop by there later. A Taste of Michigan, right behind.
And you go camera.
Why did you
steal that piece of coal? She worked at the Why did you steal that piece of coal out of the drink?
It was probably even slated.
One day you hear her step. It was so proud of you. I used to work out.
Can I tell you a funny story?
Still work out.
So they try getting you through a job in here too, and you're supposed to. First thing you do is like this little online quiz type of thing. You answer these questions.